What's up, my mobile detailing people? Welcome back to a how to detail video. What's up with the new hires? Say hi, Aria. This is my youngest.
Hi.
And she's gonna help us, which she's gonna have to back up because we're about to do something very dangerous, you guys. Because right now we're about to perform a wheel acid. This is how you know you need wheel acid. I mean, you can clearly see the rims that you're up against. You're analyzing it, and that needs wheel acid, y'all. So if you're ever out there in the detailing world on a detail, and you sprayed P&S brake busters on it, and it wasn't quite enough to get the job done. Now we got something to get the job done. This is gonna be P&S aluminum brightener that we have right here. You could pick up at the store in a city near you if you're in the Sacramento, California area. 5561 Auburn Boulevard. Look, it turned into a wholesale show. My bad, y'all. Let's get back to the tires and wheels. And the first things first, we seen that it's heavily rusted. It looked like a whole lot of rust. Let me go ahead and turn the pressure washer on, you guys. Aria, I'm gonna need you to back up because Daddy gotta use wheel acid, okay? All right, stay over there. This stuff will choke you out. Make sure you wet the rim, tire. When you're in the sun, never let it dry. We're gonna back up because that stuff is strong.
So,
all right.
Do you spray and then go to another wheel or stick on it?
Oh, never do that. Focus on one rim and tire. I'm gonna put a face mask on next time, guys. This stuff is bad. But anyways, this is a horrible example with me displaying this without hey, I'm showing you guys the result of not having a face mask, you guys. But anyways, if you spray this and do all the rims, you're gonna have a problem with the clear coat on the rims being eaten off. And I learned this from a horrible experience, and thank God it was a work vehicle, and the guy had a lot of grace and mercy. But this will literally eat through that layer of protection on the rim, and you'll see it slowly, and you'll panic and stress, and yeah, it's bad, guys. But check this out. All right, that's one rim. These rims are just messed up, so the black parts, pay that no mind, that's not coming off. Let's move to the next rim, show another example. Hey, and don't talk about my van either. I'm gonna be getting some new wheels. All right, you guys, we went from that rim to this one. I want to give you guys another example of the wheel acid, just to make sure y'all understand on how potent this stuff is. See how brown it is? Let's spray again. And I do want to say with wheel acid, you got to make sure you diffuse it. So we're going to follow up with brake busters to diffuse it. But right now we're going to let it sit and do its thing. In the meantime, these tires are horrible. So we're going to let that sit and do its thing while we do the tires. And anyways, the wheel acid actually makes your job way more simple. So let's say that it's heavily rusted. You want to spray on, rinse off, and get the job done faster, you use the wheel acid. Let's say you want to speed up your rim cleaning. You want to spray the wheel acid on, then follow up with the brake buster so your job is quicker. But this is not something you want to use on every job because the stuff is very potent and it could damage the rim. All right, following up with the brake busters. And as simple as that. And to go over it real briefly, watch out for the sun, don't let it dry. You can spray this on, rinse it off, follow up with the brake busters, and do your normal little routine that you do that I showed you guys in the previous video. And I do want to show you guys an example of when you're up against something that requires you to use wheel acid and you can't get it up by using brake busters. Hey, I was hoping to grab some rims to show you guys, but just keep in mind, when you're doing rims, you can't get the dirt and grime off of it. You want to make sure you use the wheel acid. Make sure you diffuse the wheel acid. I want you guys to know that and keep that in mind. Make sure you don't let the sun bake it into the rims or you will run into a big problem. So just be very cautious. I'd rather you be overcautious than to be extremely comfortable. So it's as simple as that, y'all. Let's not make it technical. You guys stay tuned for the next vehicle. We're gonna be working on the exterior, how to do an exterior detail. That's a wrap, you guys. You guys have a blessed one. And welcome to the Hunter Detailing team. Let's get it.